Hello everyone, my name is Shanti Martin and I am in a class of ISC 245. In this class we have to do a project on the technology used in the present day. So I have a topic on blog and live web cameras. In this project I will be talking about blog and its uses, web camera and its uses, and its histories and all of that. Starting with the blog. Blog is a blend of term weblog. It is coined by the John Berger in 17 December 1997. It is a part of a website and is maintained by individually with their personal thoughts and opinions. It does contain the chronological entries, and besides that they got like video links and links to the other blogs like a blogosphere. It is an interactive website where you can write your opinions and share your feelings. While talking about how it is discovered, as I said, it is discovered by the John Berger in December 1997. Before the blog was discovered, they used to have a trades system where people used to share their message into the internet, and after that they have started gaining a popularity, and by the 2002 it has a huge impact on the political and business factor too. And in October 1998, Bruce Emerson launched Open Diary, which was used as an open discussion book where you can go and comment on any blogs and have discussion about the topic. Then by the July 1999, Andrew Samuels created the dptars.com, which is an easier way to maintain the new pages online. Then in September 1999, a diary line was introduced, which is focused on personal diary community a lot. Blog can be personal and a business type. Blog is not just a way to communicate, but also the place where one can freely put his opinion and share the feeling in front of the people online. The personal blog is kind of like a personal diary where you can go on and update every day with your daily events. As an example, we can take a tutor. Like you can easily open an account on a tutor, and you can easily open an account on a tutor guide by giving all your personal information and just put the topic you want have a discussion about. Are you having a problem? Then the other blog users are your friends who are in your list will be commenting on the topics. Blog, beside the personal use, blog is used for the fundraising too. Like the news website do have a blog system that they have recently put the videos that happen, natural disaster that happened in Japan, and has raised the funds, millions of the dollars. Then secondly, we have like a business blog where the business person will put the topics or the breaking news that going on in the world, and will have a discussion about the topics. I'm sorry, like right here, this is the news, and by the end of the news there is a place where you can put the comments and blog, where you can put your comments and your decision about what do you think about the topic. Blogs do have a good impact on the business. It is a good tool to use to communicate between employees and customer, to share their thoughts. It is very easy to use. It is just like a clicking a button one can simply write the thoughts and link it to the blog. uh, some blogging software which eases up the blogging are like movable tabs, blogger.com, typepad, and so on. Some other blogs used by the business is like RSS, which stands for Rich Site Summary, or a really simple syndication. This is usually used by the Wells Fargo Bank to feed the employees with the latest business news. Others are like Gizmodo is a blog about the Gasgate, which advertise the business model and specialize the consumer electronically. ResearchBuzz is another one which provides an information and a special edition of the newsletter. Similar way, Micromedia is another one which helps users and staff share the solution and organize the sessions. The use of the blog is growing impressively, that it is tracked that more than 8 million blogs are created within these 2 years. Like 7.8 in 7.4 seconds every new blog is created, which calculates like 12,000 new blogs every day and 250,000 posts a day and 10,800 updates an hourly. It is growing rapidly that nobody knows what's going. Nobody can assume how far this is going to be, and some people does take this blog system so seriously that they start debating on a topic like they are debating in a real conversation. And sometimes you might be amazed at how the people makes points through this discussion. Next one is my wave camera. I know everybody knows what the wave camera looks like and what is it. Wave camera is a video camera which feeds the images. Nowadays all the computers do have a camera attached to it. The most important use of the camera is like the video links, video conference, and security purpose. Web camera had made the world look so narrow that one people can talk and see from two different places. Like me, I'm far away from my family, but still I feel like I'm close to them because every night I'll be video chatting with them, that I can see them in my face through the computer through video cam. So I really know what the uses of the video cam is. While talking about the camera, web camera, it was first developed in 1991 and it was installed in Trojan Room Coffee Pot in Cambridge University Computer Science Department, which is no longer in use. But in 1994, commercial web camera was introduced and it was named as the QuickCam. It was created by the US computer hardware and software company. The main purpose of the webcam is like a security purpose. This is the animated set of X-ray images of the webcam. The main purpose is the security purpose, but like many business buildings have installed the cameras in each and every corner of the building so that to record each and every moment of the people, and kind of like a safety, like if anything happens they can go on and check the cameras and know what happened, how did it happen, and who did it. And the main achievement of the web camera is like a TV shows, the reality TV shows like Big Brothers and America's Funniest Videos. I hope everybody likes those. And also the live telecast of the games. People can watch the game from the house just because of the live telecast by the video cam. Parents also the parents does use the video cameras in the kids room just to make sure the kids are okay, and they are sleeping soundly. The good example I want to give is like a Skype. Skype is the main website. The main Skype is the one which has used the web camera and the MSN Messenger too. Webcam are frequently used on like the online dating and news reporting too. There are many YouTube videos you can find that are made by the web cameras, with the help of web cameras. It does encourage people to work from home instead of going to the office, because we can have a video conference by sitting in the house. And all this webcast is one of the most effective way to promote the business online. Like I've already told you that web camera can be used for personal uses. Main purpose is the security, and it has helped us make some reality shows and live telecast games. Messengers and Skypes are the good example. As I have already said, I will use the Skype every night just to chat with my friends and families. And the video conference, this is the main good example of business, that video conference, like using the Skype, the video cameras. And this is the site where you can go and see, you go to each and every corner of the earth and see the live telecast on what's happening in which place, and like even the traffic, they have used the wave camera. And that's all for today.